Today, we will talk about how to start a pressure washing business. Let's have a look at the details. Starting a pressure washing business can almost never go wrong. It doesn't require lengthy learning or certification. The upfront entry costs for equipment, gear, and payroll are relatively low. In addition, the operational costs of this type of business are low, which makes it easier to turn a profit quickly. On the other hand, the demand for pressure washing services is always high. If managed properly, the pressure washing business provides a solid flow of income for business owners. All in all, starting a pressure washing business might be a great business decision. Step 1. Hone your skills. Buying a pressure washer and spraying down a driveway isn't going to cut it. Make sure you develop and hone your skills and learn how to pressure wash without damaging the surrounding area. Invest a good amount of time honing your skills to be able to give your clients the best service possible. Step 2. Properly set your pressure washing business up. Starting a pressure washing company requires the proper licenses, insurance, and permits. Depending on your local laws and regulations, the exact permits required will vary. Therefore, make sure you contact your local licensing office or county clerk so they can inform you what the requirements are. Step 3. Get your own pressure washing equipment. When you first get started, renting pressure washing equipment might make more sense. However, in the long term, you will need to purchase your own. Some equipment you may need includes a power washer, pumps, engines, nozzles, chemicals, surface cleaners, etc. A truck or van to haul your equipment and uniforms or work shirts. Step 4. The use of proper pressure washing software can help you effortlessly manage your business and employees with the click of a button. It helps to manage scheduling, time tracking, communication, client information, and more. Step 5. Set your fees. Running a successful pressure washing company means you need to do a little background research on what you can charge for your service. Step 6. Marketing is key. When starting a power washing business, it would be a good idea to use social media. The more accounts, the better. Using a single platform isn't enough, you need to have a presence on as many social platforms as possible. Step 7. Plan ahead. Always be thinking about pressure washing business ideas from 6 months to a year in the future. Every business regularly reviews its business plan to make sure that it's continuing to meet its needs and goals to increase profit margins. Step 8. Plan your business model. Successful businesses have business models that allow them to fulfill client needs at a competitive price and a sustainable cost. Keep that in mind when determining what services your business will offer and at what price you will provide them. Step 9. Be the best in the business by going the extra mile. Follow these simple tips to stay ahead. Make bookings easy. Automate client messages. Improve customer retention with special offers. Offer referral discounts. Ask for customer feedback. Leave your cards at local businesses. With the following ideas, it becomes easier to see how your business can evolve and grow in the months or years ahead. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.